let's move on to the next step where we want to show some data as part of our page. Now one way is we could have hard coded data over here, and second way is to use the data binding. So what we are going to do is here in Angular, what we are going to define is, let's say here we will say trainings. So what we will do is we'll create a JSON array over here, and we'll say kind of these are the trainings that are offered at being 0. Now we have a training, and training, if you see, this is trainings is an array, and this array has to be displayed in the rows and columns in our page. So what we can do is here we can come, and in every row what essentially we want to do, first ideally what we will do is we will put the first training. So we can simply say trainings, and that is 0th element of the training, and let's say title. And the moment I save it, we see like it is fetching the 0th training that is coming from this data. 0th training was creative problem solving. First index training is, we can say that, innovative Java development, and second training, if we put, we see is full stack web development. So kind of using index we are able to fetch the title of the training. So now what we want to do is in one row, what we'll do is we would want to show a training. So for now I'm virtually defining to training class, where this is a class that we will be defining on our own. This is a CSS class that we will create, and inside the training what I will do is I'll put our own training. The first thing that I'll put is, let make it h1, and we'll put that h1 as training title. So we can say t dot title, and this t that we are going to get will be the one instance of that array. So ultimately what we want to do is we want to write a loop, and Angular provides us that looping facility with ng repeat. So we say ng repeat equals, and we say t in trainings. So trainings is the array. We are getting for every t in training, what we are doing is we are applying a class, and we are saying print the title of the training, and now we see the titles are being printed. Now once the title is printed, we can also print the other two properties, description and duration in months, and we can say here t dot description, and this is what it will do is it will bring the description along with the training. And third thing that we can bring is, again we can put a p, and we can say t dot duration, and we can say months. Now we see that okay, it was duration in months, so it should be exactly same name. So when we paste it and save it, we see like this is coming as duration in month. So now what we are seeing is, if we go onto our page, that we are seeing 3 trainings being listed as 3 separate boxes.